Bro, come on, please, bro. I need help, nigga. Y'all wake
You think we ain't doing shit?
Bro,
Studio says at 4 in the morning running?
I'm not saying y'all not doing shit. But you starting late, gang. 8 a.m. You supposed to.
Nigga, we here till 8 in the morning. We here even when niggas can't see we hopping out on niggas.
What the fuck has SUPD done today?
This. Give me a nigga. Come on.
No!
Who ain't do shit? Who ain't do shit? Let's go. Now what? Sit down.
Now what? Okay, now what? Who got locked up now? See how it feels? Who got locked up now? See how it feels? Who locked up now? Who locked up now? What? Who locked up? Fuck, bro.
Hey, what the fuck? Hey, close the fucking shit up, nigga. Bro, y'all niggas don't do nothing, gang.
We been doing.
No, I'm the Dean! I'm the fucking Dean! Stop! I'm the Dean!
We're tired of you pushing. We've been trying.